What's up? Welcome back to Jones Outdoors. In today's video, I am going to be trying to go squirrel hunting. I have my pellet gun in here, but if we don't see any squirrels, I'm still gonna try to make a good video, but I'm just gonna be doing other random stuff also. But yeah, let's see if we can get a squirrel. We are almost to the spot where we are going to go hunting for squirrels. Okay, we are at the spot. So we are going to go hunting. Just gotta get this baby gun out of here. Okay. Pellets. It's a Sportsman 900 BB or pellet gun, but we're gonna see if we can get a squirrel. Okay, to load it, you just pull this back. Take a pellet. With a BB, it's a lot easier, but gonna take this, put it right on to that little track, push it forward at that, push it down, pump it, and it's ready to go. Okay, I got the GoPro on. We're gonna see if we can get a squirrel. So yeah, I just walked down this whole long trail and that turns and keeps going away from the ranger, and I did not see one squirrel. I saw a chipmunk in the distance, that was it. But I'm going to keep looking on my way back, and then I'm going to take a different area when I get to the ranger. Finally. Well, I don't think I'm even gonna get in. I think I'm just gonna go the opposite way from where I just came from. But yeah, so I'll see you guys if there's a squirrel or if I just need to pick up the camera for a minute. Okay, well, I'm gonna go to the next spot. First, I'm gonna unload my gun and see if I can hit that pop can. Did I miss? I think I got a little low. I'm probably not going to be able to hit a squirrel, but... Or somehow the pellet fell at the end of my gun. That could have happened too. But... I'll see you at the next spot. Well, there was no squirrels, but I'll see you guys at the next spot. Okay, well... I'm going into the little pine forest, but last time I got a squirrel, this is the area that I got it in. But I don't know if it's gonna be the same today. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe and comment below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.